can buy for $200 in the US, and you have everything you need. So we're calling the application Square, and you can start it up, and you can take credit card payments here. So I can take $3. I can put in a note. I can take a picture of what I'm selling or who I'm selling to.
You might want to wait because we don't have it on screen. Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, can you show it again, Jack?
All right. So I just put in $3 here. I can type in a note here. I can take a picture of what I'm selling or who I'm selling to. I can start typing in the credit card number, and we've tried to make this as fast as possible, but this is the second friction point of taking these card payments, is entering in the damn number. So we try to figure out ways to speed that up, and we looked at the camera, taking a picture of your credit card with the iPhone camera and doing an OCR on it, but that seems really sketchy, so we said no to that. We looked at this iPod dock, which is great, but it limits us to the iPhone platform. So the only other port on this thing is a headphone jack, and this happens to be a mic in and audio input. It turns out that this particular piece of hardware is on BlackBerries, it's on Android phones, it's on your MacBooks out there, it's on desktop PCs, so it's everywhere. So we built this little piece of hardware, and we're calling it a Square.
Before you keep going, Jack, the other Jack who listens to me, we should put back all the screens up so that everybody sees better. So no offense, take down the Twitter stream and show us on the other screens as well. But keep going, Jack.
All right, so this is a self-powered swiper. It's powered by the magnetic resistance of the swipe itself. It translates it to an audio signal, and then the phone picks it up, and software interprets the swipe itself. So I can just plug this in, and now I have a credit card swiper. So I wanted to.
How expensive is that to build?
We're gonna build these. It's going to be fairly cheap. We're going to give these away for free. So we're trying to give these away for free and just give them to everyone.
But what do you mean give them to everyone? And how do I get it?
Well, you'll be able to hopefully you'll be able to hopefully get one in a retail store, or go to our website and just put in your address and we'll ship you one.
Okay, cool.
So I promised to charge Loic some money. So I was going to charge. I don't know if you.
Well, so Jack, you have to know, has how many followers on Twitter? Don't tell me you don't know.
Over 1 million.
There we go. And you asked how much he should charge me, so that's very scary. I saw a lot of replies. Thank you very much. So I don't know. It's your call. So
I think 10,000 is a
sure. That's gonna be. It's a pleasure to have you as a guest. Sure. Now go ahead.
We'll go with. There's actually a charity water. We're going to give this to charity. One feature of the application is that we're giving a penny of every transaction to a charity. The default is going to be charity water, and we'll charge like $37 for a charity water campaign that's going on right now. There's a bunch of other charities that you can choose from, including Eric Lammerding's charity is called Not For Sale. I think he's somewhere in the audience. We're going to add that as an option. That's a great charity. So I'm going to charge like $37. Well, 37. And I'm just going to.
There we go. So you have it on. Put it on the.
Take your card. Okay.
Or take my card.
And I just swipe away. And that one didn't work. And that one didn't work. Here we go. What's going on with this card? Or? I might be going too fast. Hold on.
You don't take French cards?
I do take French cards. Do not discriminate. Oh.
That's interesting. Geraldine, if you hear me, can you bring me my other credit card?
There we go. Okay.
Did you charge me 10 times? So show the iPhone, yeah.
Evidently I wasn't doing fast enough. Okay, so now it's going up and it's trying to authorize the card.
Just for Jack, for you guys to know, we of course tried this before and it worked perfect the first time. So even someone like Jack Dorsey, the demo effect, right? So what's happening now?
And now we're seeing the demo effect again because now we're hitting some network latency.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. This has to work.
Here we go.
I should charge you more just for this. Amazing.
Do we have another credit card for me?
Okay,
There we go. There we go. Now let the Wi-Fi gods be with us. This is using the same network as you are using, so of course you must be streaming like crazy.
Maybe I should turn the Wi-Fi off and go to Orange.
Try that. Let's do one more time.
Okay, so
Try that. Shut down the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is off. All right, so in the case of no network, this would also work. We have an offline mode, but when we do have network, it should just send it up. And I can't believe that the swipe is even failing so much.
And of course it worked perfectly well in the backstage.
All right,
Okay, so this is the price. Now we're on Orange network.
there we go. Okay. Wi-Fi. All right.
Orange, thank you very much for Jack. That worked pretty well. Okay,
So one of the features that we wanted to show is you can go to the website and actually put a picture up of your face to verify that you are indeed the payer. So anytime that you use this card on a Square merchant or Square user, a picture of Loic's face will come up. So I can verify that he is actually the payer, and then he can just sign with his
don't
finger.
move. I'll do it here. I'll actually move around. Let's try this. This is a minimal version of my signature. If I'm not happy with it,
You can shake it.
really.
You can shake it away.
Oh. Okay, try again then.
And then we just hit continue. And it's processing, so now it's actually capturing the funds from the card. So before it was just authorizing the amount on the card. And we're giving out email and SMS receipts. So right now we're just doing an email receipt. So I do email receipt or no receipt. And since Loic has already paid with Square, it remembers his last email address that he used. So I can just hit send, and it's sending a receipt, and it should be arriving in your inbox shortly. And then as soon as this process finishes, it says a very simple thank you, and I can take a new transaction. And that is Square. That was also, by the way, the worst demo I've ever given.
Yeah, no, I know. You've given me many demos. So what is this? We can see this in San Francisco somewhere already.
Yeah, so we have
And it works perfect, of course.